Friends, let's start with some stuff which is useful for the students and junior developers who are going to make documentation for the projects. Let's start with document dictionary. Many times I have seen that students who don't have deep knowledge of SQL or database or programming concepts or some tricky ideas, they are working very hard to creating a data dictionaries. They need to go to databases, find things, various columns, names, copy their descriptions, and so many things. Here I will show you some of the small tricks which can help you a lot. Friends, we can get a basic details of the data dictionary directly from SQL. It provides in a format which we can directly use in our data dictionary documentation. How? Let me show you with real example. I have one database project DB here. I have one SP there and two tables, a relation between the table, some of the basic thing which database has. Now I want to create a data dictionary for the same. Let's see. I have opened the SQL, select the database and open the query window. Now I am writing one query. Select star from information schema dot columns, and I'm going to execute it. You can see that we have table names, we have column names, we have their order, we have their integer type, their maximum length, database name. There are so many details. Now let me filter out some of the details. Let's say I need column name, then I need table name, then I need column name, then I need its data type, and finally I need character max length. Okay, and I am going to execute it. I get the data. Now let me order it. Order by table name, comma, column name. You can see that we have the data of table name, column, data type and character, which are the basic things for data dictionary. I am copying it with headers. I am opening one Excel file. I am pasting it here. I am just pasting it in a text so you can format later on. Okay, so this is the first query. It gives you the basic details. So you can see the basic details of the data dictionary for the tables. Now just I need to remove this null. This is a small database, 2 tables. We have less fields which have null. We are not going to delete null one by one. Just we go for Control H, type null, replace with empty string, and replace all. That's it. If you have a large database, plenty of tables, large number of columns, then removing null one by one, it's a tedious job. Now I need data type in a format that length would be covered in that. So I am creating one more data field. data type column. I am creating one condition: if the character length is greater than 0, then concatenate integer comma space opening bracket comma length comma closing bracket and close. Otherwise use this. I am copying this for all. You can see that if it is data type string and varchar, the length is enough value. Now I need this one column, this second column and this third column. Now I copy this all and paste at the same location with values. This will remove the function and copy the values as it is. Now I am replacing the column, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now I don't need this anymore. Now I have 3 data types. I can write here description, and my basic data dictionary content is ready. I can copy it in a Word file. Let me open one Word file. I am copying it here. Select the table, make it format. Let's select some good format. That's done. Data dictionary. I'm selecting the title. I'm inserting one row here, inserting one row. This will make some good. I'm changing its color because it is black and I have selected some, making it white. That's it. Increasing its width to 100%. It shows us like this. My data dictionary is created in a very less time. I'm just formatted some bit more and that's done. This is the first thing I have done for my data dictionary. I am again going to SQL. I am opening one new SQL window, query window. I am opening one new query window and writing here another query: select star from information schema dot key column uses. Okay, I have something here. These are the keys. You can see the primary key, the foreign key, and the relation between the tables. Now I am filtering it where constraint name like pk modulus. It is giving me the set of primary keys. You can see there is a set of primary keys. It is a department, it has employee. Can I use this with the data dictionary SP we have created previously? We can. Let's see. Join we are using left join. Information schema dot key column uses on information schema dot columns dot column name is equal to information schema dot key column uses dot column name. Execute. It's giving error. Why? Because it says table name common in both the table and column name common in both the table. Let's recreate this just like that. Oh, it's working. Now I need to take some more columns from key column uses. Which one is that? That's a constant name. Okay. Is this working? No. Is this working? Not at all. Why? Some mismatch. So what can we do here now? We have column name and table name. Okay. Information column name, information schema dot table name. And in between and condition. Let's see what happens. It's working. You can see the department ID is primary key the department. Employee ID is the primary key employee. You have one more key, it's foreign key, it's department ID primary foreign key, but I need to filter it here now. Where formation schema dot key column uses dot name like PK key models. I need to keep it at the end. Is it okay now? Yeah, but again a problem. It's showing constant name only 2 columns. Is it okay? No. Is it? This is not yet okay. Then what I need to do here? I need to create filter before any of the joining. Select star from information schema dot column uses where something like pk as pk column. Now I am using it here instead of this. Yeah, it's working. You can see that it is working. You can see constant name of pk department, pk employee with the employee id, pk department with the department id. Now I am doing one more thing. I am filtering it, table name, then constant name. and then column DESC. Yeah, now you can see that this is the first ID, employee ID, this is the department ID first, others columns are coming later on, but this is constraint name is the name of the column is okay. We can change it as primary column. And we are going to use it. Now it's much better. The primary column and primary keys are there. Now we are adding relationships. Adding one more table. Left join. Again select star from this is the same query. Instead of pk we need fk. It's a foreign key. It's a fk column on the same relation here, because ultimately it is the same thing. Now we have constraint name in both columns, pk column and fk column, so we need to differentiate that this one is a pk column, same as here. Okay, but still I have not added the foreign key column. Fk column dot constraint name as foreign key. It is coming, but it is showing, yeah, it's coming, it's showing foreign key for the employee ID, it's working. So now we have a department, we have an employee key, but is it okay? No, still not okay. We need to show the foreign key with department ID only. Department ID should be the foreign key. We need to show this relation here and not in this two location. So how I can filter this? Let's see. We can have some idea from here. We are showing it fk foreign key. It's department ID and table name, employee table department ID. That's right column. It is not showing it here yet. Let's see. We have set it here. We need to update here fk. We need to update here fk. Let's see. It is coming. Let's see. Now we have the complete table. We have table name, column name, data type, character length, primary column, foreign column. We just need to copy this. Now follow the same procedure which we have done previously, and you can get foreign key, primary keys, foreign keys as well. This you can see how we can make a data dictionary from directly SQL. We have a query. This seems a bit tedious job for just 2 tables. Better if we type this, it can be done faster. But think about a large concept. This is the test table, so we have only 2 columns, 2 tables and some 8 columns. But what about there if there are 50 tables and 500-600 columns? Then this would be a really good job. You can see this what we have done. Just refer quickly. we have used the information schema columns and schema key column uses two tables. Find out, create two instances of the key column uses, first for primary key, second for foreign key. We have used the left join with columns and primary key table and foreign key table. We have ordered it by table name, then primary key constraint name, then the column name, and just we update name of the columns. You can see our data dictionary is ready. Now you can filter it, use it in Word, use it in Excel. You can iterate more and more this information schema for getting much more details. Thank you friends. If you have any suggestions, any ideas which I can use it here, then please let me know. I will try to incorporate. Thank you.